Oh, Konstantin there. Before start writing any code, we need to install some tools. The main tool of any programmer is the code editor. Of course, you can edit your code in, let's say, Notepad, but it's not convenient for a lot of reasons. I will not dive into them. It's just not for you. We will use very popular and very cool code editor, which is called Visual Studio Code. I'm also using it on my day-to-day work, and it's really awesome, packed with features, and the main thing that it is free. Alright, let's take a look. Just write into Google VS Code, and the first result will be the official page to download it. It doesn't matter what operation system you use. You can use it for Windows, Mac, and for Linux. So just download it, install it, standard thing. Alright, I already have it installed, and one of the main thing about Visual Studio Code is that there are a ton of different extensions, and you can extend the functionality of Visual Studio Code. Let's see. This is Visual Studio Code, and when you want to see the extension, you should click this squares on the left side. Alright, I have some of them installed. You will have nothing here, and we will for now we will install one extension which I'm using all the time. It is called auto closing tag. So let's search it for it. Auto close tag. It's here, and the point of this tag is that when you're writing opening tag, it will write the closing tag for you. Alright, let's install it. And now it is installed, and when we have it, this magic happens. When I want to write some HTML tag, boom, closing tag appears automatically. You don't have to write it. It's really convenient thing, and will speed up your HTML coding. Alright, I think that's it for code editor. The second main thing for every front-end and web developer is browser. You can use any browser you want: Chrome, Firefox, Safari. It doesn't really matter for this course. I will use Google Chrome, and the main difference how developer is using the browser from how user is using the browser is that user just watching the pages, the websites, and when we will develop our web pages, our HTML pages, we will use so-called developer tools. I will show you how to use it later in the course, but you can see it by hitting F12. So this is developer tools, and you can see the actual code of the page. Or you can right click on any element on the page and then click Inspect at the very bottom of the menu, and it will bring you in the code of the page, it will bring you to this particular element, and you can see its code, you can modify it, but I will show you this later in the course. Alright, that's it for this video. Install Visual Studio Code, install autoclose tag, and see you in the next video. Cheers!